Hi dear colleagues, I would like to invite you to a very exciting and visionary event regarding the role of structural engineering and the structural engineers in the built environment. Structural engineers are involved in the design and development of almost all types of infrastructure, like the tall buildings, like the bridges, and they are also responsible for the safety and resilience of everything that we live and work in. This event will highlight the accomplishments of some of the great structural engineers and artists, talk about some very interesting and challenging projects, and as well as, more importantly, talk about the future, how structural engineering will impact the development of the resilient infrastructures, modern cities, as well as the built environment. The event will culminate with an extremely exciting data talk by Ashraf Habibullah. Ashraf, for those of you who might know him, is the president and CEO of Computers and Structures Incorporated, and he is a renowned speaker, and he has talked about the future of structural engineering profession as well as the education for our next generations in a number of international events. So we are very excited that he will be visiting Bangkok and talking about this very important aspect that affects not only structural engineers but also related professions like architects, building developers, clients, city officials, and the public